Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Luna Classic, because the price is back up at the resistance levels, and we actually did get a nice bullish breakout again above the 200 EMA right here. Now, technically, we did that twice yesterday as well, or no, not twice yesterday, but technically we did it on Saturday and Sunday as well, but broke above it again, and just in general. So far, and that's also the reason why I'm covering Luna Classic again today, this doesn't look like the normal spike anymore, alright? Because we all know that Luna Classic, or at least what we've seen since the start of December, is that sometimes you just have these big spikes, which usually result in a drop and a continuation of the bearish momentum. But now, for the first time in a long time, I mean, I'm not sure when I've seen this before in the last couple of months, or last couple of weeks at least, we actually got some sort of a bullish breakout above this level right here at 10,000 and all of these EMAs. And they're actually holding as support. And we're trying to break above this major resistance level right here between 12,000 and 11,500. So I do think that there's, for the first time in a while, there's potential of actually getting some bullish confirmation here with Luna Classic, which is interesting, all right? So let's take a look at all of the numbers we need to know. So first of all, and that's something we already talked about yesterday, what you saw yesterday is that the open interest actually stayed relatively high, and that's still the case right now. I mean, it's very much up and down, but you can see that the open interest at this moment is actually higher than what it was. I'm not sure if all the data says that. I do think so. Yeah, you can see here the data. Well, no, the data here is a bit different. But you can see that it's very much up and down, and there's definitely like whale behavior going on with Luna Classic. But still, it's interesting, all right? It is still interesting. I don't think at this moment, though, we've had enough of a bullish breakout to really rally up higher. Like I said yesterday, but also earlier in this video, the entire level we need to break above is really this level around 11,500, and we haven't broken above that area, all right? And I do think that's necessary, especially if you look at the numbers. I mean, the open interest up and down like this is a bit weird, all right? And this time around, even though technically we got the biggest breakout, the open interest already dropping down right now is not a great sign, all right? Because that means that positions are being closed, and what we need now is not either liquidations and then positions being closed, or more positions being opened. So if that's not happening, if this open interest keeps decreasing like the last two times that it spiked up, then we're not going to break out, and we're just going to drop back down towards 10,000. So it's a bit of a difficult situation for Luna Classic right now, because there's also, as far as my knowledge goes, there's no major proposals. There are some proposals which are interesting, and they'll be bullish for Luna Classic or for Terra Classic, but they will not make the market move that much. So the thing is, and by the way, why my main level was around 11,500 was because there's a lot of liquidity. And right now, what it seems like to me is that we're just grabbing that liquidity over and over. So we're grabbing those liquidations, and you can also see that we have had some bigger liquidations at least. But I'm not convinced. I need to see this level around 11,500 and 12,000 break while the open interest is going up. If that happens, I think we can rally up to 13,500, where if you zoom out, and we wait a little bit, if you zoom out, you can see that there's also a lot of liquidity. So it's a possibility, but I just need to see that bullish breakout, and I'm not convinced yet. So I'm going to tell you that I still think at this moment, even though I'm prepared for that bullish breakout, I still think it's most likely that will drop back down towards 10,000 and lower towards 9,000, our previous support. And that's what I think you need to know for now. If we do get that breakout, I'll try to cover it as soon as possible, and I'll try to keep you updated. But like I said, at the current situation right now, I don't think that's most likely. So those are my thoughts, all right? If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group, and consider joining if you want to know when I'm taking a trade on Luna Classic. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great week, and bye.